Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. In a breakthrough straight out of science fiction, Israel has announced the deployment of the world's first effective and battle-tested high-power laser interception system, dubbed Iron Beam, revolutionizing military defense with the next generation of weapons. Unlike traditional missile interceptors, which have an interception cost of about $60,000, the Iron Beam's laser technology destroys incoming rockets, UAVs, and mortars at the cost of just $2 of electricity per shot. What is Iron Beam? The Iron Beam complements Israel's multi-layered air defense shield, working alongside the iconic Iron Dome, David's Sling, and Arrow systems. It targets smaller, short-range threats like rockets, mortars, UAVs, and low-flying aircraft, lightening the burden on more costly kinetic interceptors and enhancing overall coverage. Developed through collaboration between Israel's Ministry of Defense's R&D unit, DDR&D, the Israeli Air Force, Rafael, and Elbit Systems, Iron Beam completed weeks of rigorous, combat-simulated tests in southern Israel.